Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Anker Soundcore 2 speaker and you want to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your speaker is not connecting to your phone or other device, or it's not pairing with Bluetooth or syncing with Bluetooth, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, if you can't get it fixed and you want to just buy a new speaker, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to where you can get this speaker at a great price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is like for whatever reason you just want to delete all the pairing history and everything off of it. So you can set it up like it's a new speaker coming out of the box, whether you're setting it up on a new phone or whatever. But anyways, if you want to do this factory reset, it's really easy to do. You just need to first of all start by turning it on, which you'll hear it start up. It'll make this little sound here, and then all we're going to do is press and hold this play button and the volume up button simultaneously for like 5 to 8 seconds, and you'll see what happens. Make that little sound there. This light goes red, and then it shuts down. And now it's been reset. If I turn it back on now, it won't automatically pair to whatever it was paired for before, and I can set this up like a brand new speaker.